Aha, we're live. Excellent. Diners, welcome back to the Griffin Inn. Cautious as ever, I'm wearing my gloves and I've got my mask as well. What I wanted to do was just give you an update that we are going to be changing our menu to reflect the growing needs and tastes of all you guys and ladies out there. So please recognize that this is just what we're doing at the moment, and we're going to be adding a whole bunch of scrummy stuff soon, including Chinese. Now, it's been a long day for us all, but there is always time for a drink. So the Guinness is looking good. And tasting delicious. And in the meantime, we're going to go through and see what's cooking in the kitchen. So masks on. Right, here we go. Can you hear me? Just about, possibly, just about. So I know that Michael is knocking up the fish and chips like crazy, so let's see where we're at.
Happy customers, hopefully, at 7 o'clock.
You have to speak up, Michael, I can't hear through your mask.
We're trying our best to communicate still, at least.
Here we go. Dinner is served.
Oh, I've got the governor on the job.
There you go. Thank you very much, sir. I'll pop that there for you.
Do you want the container? Thank you very much. Nice to see you.
Enjoy.
Stay well.
And don't forget, we've got the big Easter weekend. We've got Good Friday tomorrow. So if you want to get your orders in, please ring now 01476 550 201.